Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by picking the folder you want to lock and confirming you have administrator rights. This matters because system tools require elevated permissions. Next, create the destination folder if it does not exist, and note its full path so you don't get lost later. Once done, open File Explorer, right-click the folder, and choose Properties, then go to the Security tab to inspect current permissions. This first step prevents permission conflicts and lays the groundwork for controlled access. Now you modify permissions to lock the folder. Open Security right arrow Edit, add the specific user or group you want to block, and then explicitly set Deny on Full Control and Modify. That prevents file access. Make sure to apply changes only to this folder so you don't disrupt other files. If inherited permissions interfere, click Advanced and disable inheritance, converting inherited entries to explicit ones before removing them. This detailed change ensures only off. Finish by testing the lock using a restricted or guest account. Try opening, creating, and deleting files to confirm denial. If you still have access, make sure the user isn't part of an admin group or another group with permissions. Then revisit advanced permissions to fix inheritance issues or accidental allow entries. If something goes wrong, sign in as an administrator and remove the deny entries or reapply correct permissions. This reversibility is why you adjust explicit permissions rather than deleting the folder.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.